Hello, my name is Víctor, and I'm going to explain the histograms with an example.
In a physical education class, students are asked to throw a medicine ball as far as they can. These are the distance in centimeters.
In this exercise, we group the numbers in intervals: 340 to 380, 380 to 420, and so on. Then we count the numbers that are in each interval. In the first interval, are 4 numbers. In the second interval, 6 numbers. And in the third interval, 4. In the last are 2 numbers. Then we do the histograms. In the first interval, there are 4 numbers. In the second are 6 numbers. In the third interval are again 4 numbers. And in the last are only 2. And don't forget that the bars are together. Hope you like it and subscribe.